Your parents said, study hard, get good grades, and you'll be smart. You did just that. Went to school for 12 years, went to college, maybe even got a fancy degree. But sometimes, you still feel like that you are dumb. Why is that? Why do so many of us feel like we're not clever enough, even after years of studying? That's why today, we're going to figuring out how to make your brain really, truly smart as fuck. Let's be honest, we all want to be smart so we can do cool things and make some money. But even after all that studying, why do we still feel like we're missing something? Reason is, we forget stuff. Think about it. You study for a test, get a good grade, then forget everything a week later. Our brains are like super fast, intelligent computers. If you don't use information, it gets deleted. It's like downloading a bunch of cool apps on your phone, but never using them. Eventually, your phone's like, hey, you're not using these, I'm gonna get rid of them. Your brain does the same thing with information. So, you go YouTube and search for a quick fix. Some YouTube gurus tells you to sleep for 8 hours, go for walks in every 30 minutes, and exercise your way to being a smart. But wait a minute. Nikola Tesla, the guy who invented a bunch of amazing things, only slept 2 to 3 hours a day. He didn't get smart by following so-called rules. He got smart by working hard on his ideas and actually doing the things he learned about. That's the secret, my friend, doing stuff. You can read all the books and watch all the videos, but if you don't actually try those things, it's like you never learned them at all. Imagine you read a book about how to jumpstart a car. Sounds cool, right? But if you never actually try to jumpstart a car, you'll probably forget most of what you read. But if you get some tools, follow the instructions, and start doing, even if it's messy at first, you'll learn so much more. Your brain doesn't need to know everything. It needs to know the important things and how to use them. Think of it like this. You only need to know 20% of the stuff to get 80% of the results. That means you don't have to be a walking encyclopedia to be super smart. Learn to code? Try making a simple game. Interested in space? Build a model rocket. Love to cook? Invent your own recipe. The more you do, the more your brain will grow and the smarter you'll become. Remember, do the things you learn about. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. You don't have to know everything, just the important stuff. So, next time you want to be smarter, don't just learn something new, do something new. Put those ideas into action and watch your brain become super smart.